Okay. Our next plant family, from the ethnomedicinal importance point of view, is the Verbenaceae plant family. You know, we are discussing the each and every family which is given in their UPSC main syllabus for its ethnomedicinal value. And this time we are going to focus on the Verbenaceae plant family. Now consider this is your syllabus. We are dealing with the paper number 1 and the chapter number 4, that is plant resource development. And we are here at the importance of ethnobotany in the Indian context. Okay. Now, why we are doing this? It's because of this question, which is asked in the UPSC mains examination of the 2020. Here, you have to state the ethnomedicinal importance for the family Solanaceae and the Apiaceae, and three members of each family you have to put forward so to justify your answer. Okay, so that you will get the 15 marks. And if you don't know the ethnomedicinal value of these plants, you will definitely lose these 15 marks. Okay, so from ethnomedicinal point of view, at least you should know three plants from each plant family which shows the specific ethnomedicinal uses. Okay, so this time we are considering the Verbenaceae family. Okay, the Verbenaceae family, and this time we are also considering the same three plants which shows the ethnomedicinal value and which belongs to the Verbenaceae plant family. The very first plant is the Lipia gracilis. Okay, as you know, the botanical name is important. Lipia gracilis is the first plant. Lipia is the genus and Gracilis is the species, and you should underline them separately. Okay, and you already know the plants of the Verbenaceae shows the large amount of presence of the essential oils. Okay, quite a scenty plants are there, and these scenty plants produce large amount of essential oils in their leaves, flowers, etc. Okay, so in the Lipia gracilis plant, we are extracting the essential oils. Okay, out of it, we can use the water, or nowadays we can also use any non-polar substance, any non-polar solvent to extract this particular essential oils. In our ancient times, people often use water to extract these essential oils. Okay, so from Lipia gracilis, we are extracting here the essential oils, and these essential oils shows the very specific kind of activity which is called as the anti-inflammatory uh, application. Okay, so anti-inflammatory activity is there for these particular essential oils. In case of the inflammation on the body, these essential oils can be used to treat that particular kind of inflammation. So these essential oils which belongs to the Lipia gracilis plant, they act as a anti-inflammatory, or they show the anti-inflammatory activities. Now the second plant we have in this regard is the Lipia pseudoides. Okay, carefully write down the name. Again, it belongs to the same genus, that is Lipia, and the name of the species is a pseudoides. Okay, carefully write down the spelling. Okay, spellings are important while writing down the botanical name. So Lipia solidus is the second plant which belongs to the Verbenaceae plant family, and again we are using its essential oils. Okay, so essential oil which is extracted from the Lipia solidus, it has an application called as the anthelmintic activity. Okay, what they have anthelmintic activity. Now what is meant by this anthelmintic activity? Generally, whenever there is a against the any any particular kind of the nematode, when such any tonic works, then we say anthelmintic activity is there. Okay, so generally in case of the ships, okay, when the ships got in nematodes in their bodies or in their stomachs, to kill these nematodes, we use this particular kind of essential oil. Okay, so this essential oil is used for the treatment of the ships which got infected by the nematodes, and hence we are saying they are showing the anthelmintic activity. So not only for the humans but also for the other animals as well, these essential oils are very useful, which belongs to the Verbenaceae plant family. So the second plant we have studied about the Verbenaceae plant family is the Lipia pseudoides, and this Lipia pseudoides, out of its the essential oils are extracted, which shows the anthelmintic activity, that is the activity against the nematode in case of the sheep. Okay, now see, the third plant which belongs to the Verbenaceae plant family is the Lipia dulcis. Okay, so carefully write down the botanical name again. Lipia dulcis is the name of the species, Lipia dulcis, and it's all the parts. Okay, all parts of these plants are very important from the medicinal point of view, and they were used against the cough condition or cold, or in case of bronchitis. Okay, and in case of the asthma. Okay, So all of these parts which belongs to the Lipia dulcis are used against these specific kinds of the respiratory problems. If there is a cough, if there is a cold, if there is a bronchitis, if there is asthma, these particular plant parts are very useful ethnomedicinally. So here we have studied the three plants which belongs to the Verbenaceae plant family. The first is the Lipia gracilis, second is the Lipia sissoides, and third is the Lipia dulcis. Okay, and in case of the first two, we have extracted the essential oil, which shows their specific medical activity. Okay, and in the third one, we have used all the parts against the different respiratory problems. Okay, so these are three plants which belongs to the Verbenaceae plant family, which shows the ethnomedicinal importance. All right.